Hello, my dear little ones. Welcome back. Are you fine? Good. In the last class, we studied about our house. Today, we are going to study about our school. Let's start. Okay. Kids, in this lesson, we have to learn two parts. First part is school building. Second part is school and environment. Today we will study about school building. Are you ready? Okay. Kids, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is our school. What is the name of our school? Very good. The name of our school is Kannasha Mission High School. Let's learn more about our school. Kids, there are different rooms in our school. They are classroom, principal's room, sports room, office, staff room and library. There is a room for each class. Teachers teach lessons for all the classes. Kids, who teach lessons for all the classes? Yes, teachers teach lessons for all the classes. There are benches and chairs in all the classrooms. Pupils sit on benches and teachers sit in chairs. There is a blackboard in every classroom for a teacher to write and explain lessons. Kids, look here. This is the principal's room. Principal is the head of all the teachers. Who is the head of all the teachers? Principal is the head of all the teachers. He looks after all the school matters. This is the school office. Clerks work in the office. Who work in the office? Clerks work in the office. This is the staff room. Teachers take rest in the staff room when they have leisure time. This is our library. The library has collection of many books. We read books in the library. Next is sports room. All kinds of sports articles are there in this room. Children take these articles when they want to play games. After they play the games, they keep back all the articles in the room. Kids, do you understand? Let's summarize today's topic. Principal is the head of all the teachers. We can keep lot of books in the library. Teachers teach lessons for all the classes. Clerks work in the school office. It's time to wind up today's session. We will see in the next class. Thank you.